photos.
There's the Jerseyville siren, guys. There it is.
What?
It's right by the Municipal Center.
Sissy.
Municipal building. And located by the police department. There it is. It's tested for tornado. 10 o'clock a.m. the first Tuesday of every month.